I have a very interesting question for you today. There's a round table with 33 people sitting around it. Some of them are truth tellers and some of them are liars. Truth tellers are people who always tell the truth and liars are people who always lie. And there can be even 0 truth tellers and there can be even 0 liars at that table. Each of those 33 people say the following statement. Each of them says, the 10 people sitting on my immediate right are all liars. Immediate right means the 10 people immediately next to me on the right side. Given this information, can you figure out how many people at that table are truth tellers and how many people at that table are liars? Pause this video, try to think of the solution and then come back. Okay, hopefully you pause the video and try to think of the solution. See, the first question that comes in our mind is, can there be 33 truth tellers? Can all of them be truth tellers? Okay, so let's say yes, all of them are truth tellers. So each one of them will say, the 10 people on my immediate right are all liars. Since they are truth tellers, then they have to say the truth. But then everybody at the table is the truth teller. So how can somebody say that the 10 people on my immediate right are liars? That will be a false statement. So it cannot be the case that all the 33 people at that table are truth tellers, because then they would all be lying. Similarly, let's say all the 33 people are liars. All of them will again say, the 10 people sitting on my immediate right are all liars. But that will actually be true. And the liars are supposed to always lie. So it cannot also be the case that there are 33 liars at the table. This means that there's at least one truth teller at the table and there's at least one liar at the table. Okay, so let's look at that one truth teller. So we should know that there's at least one truth teller at the table. Let's call him 1, person number 1. He says that the 10 people to my immediate right are all liars. Since he is the truth teller, he's saying the truth. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 are all liars. Now, 2 says that the 10 people on my immediate right are all liars. That means he's saying that person number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, they're all liars. He's saying that persons from 3 to 12, they're all liars. Now 3 to 11 are already indeed liars. We already know this. What if person number 12 is also a liar? If person number 12 also is a liar, then person 2's statement becomes true, that all the 10 people to my immediate right are liars. And person number 2 is a liar, so his statement cannot be true. So for his statement to be not true, person number 12 has to be a truth teller. Again, person number 12 says that the 10 people to my immediate right are all liars. We know for a fact that he's a truth teller. So that means 10 people to his immediate right, 13 to 22. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22. All these people are indeed liars, 13 to 22. Because 12 is a truth teller. Now, person 13 also says that all the 10 people to my immediate right are liars. We already know that who are those 10 people? Person number 14 to person number 23. We know for a fact that 14 to 22 is a liar, are liars. Now, what will happen if 23 also is a liar? Then person 13's statement will become true, that all the 10 people to my immediate right are liars. But we know that person number 13 is a liar. So this means that person 23 has to be a truth teller. Otherwise, person 13's statement would become true. So now we found 3 truth tellers so far. 1, 12th and 23rd. Again, person 23 says that the 10 people to my immediate right are all liars. Person number 23, we already know is a truth teller. So, his statement indeed has to be true. This means that person number 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, they indeed have to be all liars, because person number 23 is a truth teller. Now we found which ones. Now when we look at this, we've found out that there are exactly 3 truth tellers. Person number 1, person number 12 and person number 23. And everybody else is a liar. Wasn't this a fascinating question? For more such wonderful questions, do subscribe.